wonders.
Snooze Science. Exploring the magic of sleep and rest. Are you ready to discover the amazing magic of sleep and rest? Every night, when we close our eyes and drift off to sleep, something incredible happens inside our bodies and brains. Sleep isn't just about resting, it's one of the most important things we do every day. So grab a comfy pillow, snuggle in, and let's explore the wonderful world of sleep together. Dreamland Adventures. What happens when we sleep? When we fall asleep, our bodies stay still, but our brains go on an adventure. This adventure is called Dreamland. Dreams can be silly, exciting, or even a little strange. But did you know dreams have an important job? While we dream, our brains are sorting and organizing everything we learn during the day. Like lessons at school, new games we played, or stories we heard. It's a bit like cleaning up a messy room, so everything is ready for a brand new day. Have you ever woken up and remembered a dream? That's your brain finishing up its nighttime work. Repair and restore. How sleep helps our bodies. While our brains are busy dreaming, our bodies are working too. Sleep is the time when our bodies repair, grow, and heal. If you ran, jumped, climbed, or played hard during the day, your muscles might feel tired. Sleep helps them recover and grow stronger. It's almost like your body puts on a superhero cape at night, fixing tiny bumps, helping you grow taller, and giving you energy for tomorrow. That's why kids need lots of sleep. Your bodies are growing every single day. Brain boost. Why sleep helps us learn. Sleep is a superpower for our brains. When we get enough sleep, we can pay attention better, remember things more easily, solve problems, and learn new skills. Have you ever felt tired and found it hard to think or listen? That's because your brain didn't get enough time to recharge. A well-rested brain helps you do your best at school, sports, games, and even creative things like drawing and building. Happy and healthy. Sleep and feelings. Sleep doesn't just help our bodies and brains, it helps our feelings too. When we don't get enough sleep, we might feel grumpy, sad, frustrated, or upset more easily. But when we sleep well, we feel happier, calmer, more patient, and ready to enjoy the day. Sleep helps us handle big feelings and gives us the energy to be kind, curious, and confident. Gentle rest. It's not just about nighttime. Sleep is important at night, but rest is important during the day too. Quiet time, reading, relaxing, or taking slow breaths helps our bodies and mind stay balanced. Rest gives us a pause, a chance to reset before jumping back into play and learning. So now you know the secret of snooze science. Sleep helps us dream and learn, grow strong and healthy, think clearly, and feel happy and calm. By making sleep and rest a priority, we help our bodies and brains do their very best work. So tonight, when you snuggle into bed, remember, you're not just sleeping. You're recharging, growing, and getting ready for a brand new day of adventure. See you in the next video, when we will discover even more amazing things about our world.